Hey, Coach Greg here with Svelte Training. If you have 10 minutes, then I have a fat burning circuit workout for you that is gonna help you get your sweat on, tone up, tighten your body, and feel and look amazing. Let's get it. We are gonna start off with nice warm-up exercise. We have some hip openers. We go in 3, 2, 1. Let's open those hips. Just bringing one knee up and over. Boom, just like that. Be nice and gentle at first, and then we can speed it up. Let's just warm up our hips, warm up our body. If you need to, hold on to something. And if you want to do this seated, you can. No worries. We're really just trying to bring our knee up, get those hip flexors nice and loose. We're going to be doing a lot of fast moving exercises today. 3, 2, 1, and down. Great job. Next, we have some fast toe taps. I did say fast. Here we go. Just quick explanation. What you can do, you can just focus on tapping in front like this, or you can tap to the side. We're really just trying to focus on just the mechanics. We're just trying to move. There's no real right way to do this, but just have a slight bend in your knees. Core is tight, and keep your weight below you, if that makes sense. So instead of trying to shuffle forward, keep your weight back here. Boom. It's just your foot that's moving. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's crush it. Just like that. A great tip that always has helped me is just start off slow, right? Really get the movement down, and then you can speed it up as you like. You can also put a line, just so you know how far you should be crossing. I like to keep my legs bent. Keeps me low, keeps me steady and ready. So let's do side ones like this. Boom. My core is tight the whole time. Fast feet. 3, 2, 1, up. Great job. You are crushing it. Next, we have squat to arm reach. This is going to be a little more fun, a little more dynamic. Focusing on keeping a nice shoulder width apart type of squat. Arms are going to be right down in front of you. You're going to squat down. As you raise up, you're going to bring your arms up and overhead. Boom. Just elongate your body. Just like that. 3, 2, 1. Let's get it. So squatting down, nice deep squat. Bring your arms up. Boom. Just like this. Get a nice cadence. You don't have to go as deep. You can go here. This works too. We're just trying to really stretch, open up our full body, and having fun. This is a great one too if you have maybe a medicine ball or a light dumbbell you can hold in your hand, or even a water bottle. But I'm keeping my arms as straight as possible, and it is working out my core. 3, 2, 1, done. Great job. We have some high knee marches with some arm swings. We're working on our coordination, baby. Here we go. 3, 2, 1. Let's focus on the marches. Get those knees up nice and high. And then we just want to get some arm swings in there, just like that. It's like you're stretching, soothing exercise on the top and burning calories on the bottom. So just pump those knees, keep your back flat, core is nice and tight, and breathe. There it is. 3, 2, 1, done. Last, we have some heel digs. This gives us a little bit of a break. It's also more of an isometric exercise. Stand up nice and tall. Bring one leg forward. I'm going to start with my right. I'm going to keep it straight. Bend my left leg, and I'm focusing on digging my heel into the ground, and I'm kind of like pressing. Pretend there's like a roach or something underneath your foot. You're just trying to kill it, but you should feel your whole body tense up. You can even see my muscles contract. And we just do the other side, just like that. Now you don't have to jam your foot in yet. Just be nice and gentle here, and then push. Feel that squeeze, even from your core, and switch. 3, 2, 1, let's get it. Let's get this side. So keep that leg straight. Push, push, push. Switch to the other side. There it is. Your body may shake due to the intensity. That's good. Just make sure you're breathing. Don't try to hold your breath. Just squeeze. Feel your muscles. Really try to push the ground away. Also, I have a slight lean forward, but my back is straight, and I'm sinking into my hips. 3, 2, 1, and done. Great job. First set is done. Grab some water if you need to, but if not, we are jumping right into set number 2 right now. Hip openers, 3, 2, 1, go.
Subscribe today to see every workout as it drops.
Fast toe taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Squat to arm reach, 3, 2, 1, go. High knee march with arm swings, 3, 2, 1, go. Heel digs, 3, 2, 1, go. Great job, 2 sets down. I know you're already sweating, so am I. Grab some water, let's finish strong. Come on, we're trying to burn some fat, and this is how we do it. Let's get it. One more set starts right now.
Subscribe now to see your next favorite workout.
Fast toe taps, 3, 2, 1, go. Squat to arm reach, 3, 2, 1, go. High knee march with arm swings, 3, 2, 1, go. Heel digs, 3, 2, 1, go. And there you have it. That was your fat burning circuit workout. I am sweating, but I feel really good. I'm like ready to tackle the day. Actually, my legs are sore right now from doing that, so I will not be jumping. But hopefully you enjoy this workout and you want to continue to see more workouts like this. And if you do, go ahead and click the notification bell just to stay on top of the different workouts and videos we have coming your way from Coach Gabby, Coach Maren, me, Coach Greg. But I will see you in the next video. Stay strong, my friend. Peace.
If you're new to the channel, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to receive notifications for our latest videos. We have tons of content from workouts to recipes updated daily.